So how can you fix the high ping problem in Roblox Mobile? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now first tap on the square in the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon right here. From here make sure you have the performance stats option turned on to know later what option you have done fix the high ping problem for you. From there quit and close all the apps in the background including Roblox. Once you have that done, go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and update the game to the latest version. That might fix the problem for you. If it doesn't, go ahead and go to your browser to the speedtest.net website and test your connectivity and make sure it is good. Of course, compare your Wi-Fi to the cellular data to decide which one is better for the game. Now, if you must use Wi-Fi, go ahead and go to settings, go to about phone or storage, and make sure your phone is not full like that. That might affect the game performance a lot. Also, make sure your phone is updated to the latest version available. Once you have that done, make sure you're not playing the game with any VPN active in the back. That might affect the ping tremendously. Once you do that, you can go ahead and clear data and cache off the app. That in most cases should fix the problem for you. Now, if that doesn't fix your problem, you can always contact your internet provider about the internet or wait for the future update from Roblox or reset your device completely. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.